What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we are gonna look at the most important extra formulas. So the first one is for addition. Like if I have to add the whole column of populations, so I'll just go down there and write equals to and capital S and like equals to sum, and then I will just select the numbers that I have to add. I will select the whole column and just press enter, and I will get the answer. So guys, we are on our second formula, and it is used to multiply numbers. So like if I want to multiply this whole column of cricket scores, so I will multiply it. First I have to write is equals to, and then the first score, like the first score of China, and then I will write 43. Then I don't know what this sign is called, then this sign, then 23, then again that sign, and then 57, and then I will just simply press enter, and I will get my answer. This is the correct answer for it. So guys, we are on our third formula, and it is used to divide numbers. So to divide, you can just go down and write equals to and write the number that you have to divide. Like I have to divide 42 and use bracket instead of division sign. Like 43 and 23, and just press the enter button and you will get the correct answer.